Yeah, you should introduce yourself because we are the meeting first time. So doing the conversation, we should know before the each other, sir.
Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal.
Hmm.
If you talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinamasta Institute of Technology, Rajbiraj,
Okay.
Saptori, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirupati University, KTM, Nepal. If you talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if you talk about my hobbies, searching on new things, make new friends. My aim, I want to be a doctor. I have YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh. That's all about me. Short introduction on my
Oh,
side.
that's that's a really absolutely great introductions you have given. So would you like to know about me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So first of all, good evening to you. My name is Raju Kumar. I am from connecting to you. Basically, I am from Bihar, small village of the Orlaiya district in Sitamarhi. And if I talk about my qualification, I have finalized my primary and secondary qualification from my hometown. Right now, I am pursuing B aeronautical engineering from South India. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people and explore the new things. And if I talk about my goal, I want to be a happy person in my life. That's also
Okay. Happy person?
happy. If I happy,
Happy person.
yeah.
Okay. I understood the happy person. What kinds of happy person? You are
Because
happy
if I am
person.
not
Yes.
happy, I can't do any job, anything. So I want to live life, whole life in happy.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
Human nature should be happy. Yes.
yeah,
Everybody wants to be happy. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. That is good. Thanks. Every human life. If you are happy, so happy is everything. If you sad, then your life is nothing. You are
Yeah,
feeling
right.
different kinds of challenges.
Yeah, absolutely right. So you want to be a doctor, so that's why you are learning English. Yeah, as a language. Yeah, you are study as an English subject.
Yes, I am learning English also and preparation for also medical. And now I am doing job also at
So
this
why you
time.
are learning this language? Any important things? Why it is really important for you?
Here, English means English is international language, and every sectors need English. I am working in medical
Mhm.
department, so necessity English. Without English, nothing. At this time,
Mhm.
possible. Okay.
So
So
have you ever been faced like problems to understand the any concept, any things to in English? Have you ever faced like this a problem?
yes, sometimes I facing problem when I was beginners first time got job.
Hmm.
So that times
Hmm.
one person's foreigner
Hmm.
uh, I visited and they speak English. But that
Okay.
times I am understanding. Okay, but I cannot
Hmm.
reply answer.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
I thought yeah, I am understanding, but why I cannot speak English? So that's why
Hmm.
that thought I have to learn English, and I am able to speak in future.
You want to in future you want to be a speaking fluent English in future.
Yes, that day I thought, and after then I flowing them.
Oh, in that day you did not understand what they are saying that time you decided to know I want to also learn this language and I want to also improve myself and see if I have this language I can communicate with any peoples because the doc be a doctor The person is coming
Yes.
from different state, different country also. So
Yes.
if I
Yes.
don't know, then how can I will handle that things you have thought in that day? Yeah, in nowadays you are thinking.
Yes. 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 When I was learning a start, so that times
Mm,
I am feeling very bad.
mm,
Not
okay.
uh, means like it's easable. That is difficult
Mm,
challenges. So
okay.
let's day by day, gradually, it is easy, and
Okay.
that means very hesitation how to speak with each other and how understanding. So
Okay.
very difficult that times, but
So
nowadays
right.
it is
Okay.
possible.
It is possible. So you get a job. Already got a job. In which
Yes,
field?
yes, I got that. The health
In which
department,
field? Health
health department.
department. In first
Yes.
time when you join the interview for getting a job, what type of the question they ask you for joining this job?
That times not ask English
Hmm.
interview, just
Hmm.
Netflix,
Nepali.
Nepalese questions and Nepali medium.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
there is not English is running
Hmm. Hmm.
interview, only Nepali.
Okay.
I give
Hmm.
Nepali interview,
Okay.
and which is related health. They
Okay.
asked at least
Hmm.
30 questions,
Oh my God.
and
Hmm.
I replied 30 question answer, and they
In now
asked,
in my, yeah, tell me.
yes, yes, then asked if you got job, so
Hmm.
you will happy or sad.
Hmm.
Interviewer said.
Okay.
So I said, who
Hmm.
is one person,
Hmm.
if he will get job, so he
Hmm.
is not happy or sad.
Oh, oh.
Every
Oh, okay.
woman, every woman,
Yeah.
they will be happy
Yeah,
because
every man and
they,
woman both are happy.
yes,
Human and are
because
happy.
they work a lot of labor.
Hmm.
They
Yes.
every day once I got job,
Mm.
but I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
get. So why I didn't happy? That is the
Oh, that
reality. If I got,
job. So in my mind now, I have so it's while you are doing this field job, actually it's coming to my
mm. Yes, yes,
so many
sorry,
question coming in my mind now. You are doing in
yes, yes,
doctor field job, so health field, health department. So right now coming to so many question in my mind. Should I ask to you?
yes. You can ask.
So
Which is
what is
I
the
ever then yes.
yeah, related to your department? I don't know how the which is the main part of the body is very important.
Which is the main part of body?
Body is
Important.
very important. Yeah,
Heart. I think heart.
heart. I think heart.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So
Yes,
how many
heart is
organs in our body do you know?
205.
205. Like that. That must we can't count. Yeah, we can count.
Yes.
We can count. Okay, that's really nice. But I don't know exact the what is the answer. I'm totally from another department, so that's why I'm
Yes,
asking to you.
yes.
Is really important for the doing morning time yoga and exercise or not?
Yes, absolutely. You are right. If you do exercise every
Hmm.
day, so
Hmm.
your blood circulation system is active. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And if your blood circulation system is active, so they all
Hmm.
organs are active. They all organs to work good way. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And in the morning time, all night, all day, you are feeling tiredness. Yes.
Yeah.
And if you slept all night, there your body is also slow down. Yes.
Yeah.
And if you in the morning time is your body is needed new things, new environment.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you go outside of your home and you get fresh air, and
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
within at least 30 minutes every day, if you walking, so
Mm.
your heart and everything is good.
Oh,
Many
that's really
uh,
nice.
purpose. Yes, if you walking every 13 days, so you have no any kinds of disease attacked, because
Oh,
your
that's really good.
circulation system is going on good. Yes,
Oh.
just like nowadays many uh, kinds of disease
Mm.
suffering many patients.
Mm.
Basically they are not working, they are not working, just only do work, do a study, and enjoying only film and video, many videos,
Mm.
but
Yeah. Yeah.
they are not distributing time for body. Yes,
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
body, you have to distinguish your time. Yes, you have to give
Okay.
for your body time. Minimum
Okay.
you give 1 hour every day for on your body. Yes,
Mm.
so many kinds of disease like as bp high.
Mm.
This is the fatty, who is fatty man. Yes,
Mm.
and they do not exercise, only they go to shop, they go to office, and
Yeah. Yeah.
stand sitting all day,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
exercise is not doing. And
Mm.
after
Yes.
then they are suffering from many diseases, like as
Oh.
blood pressure, cholesterol. Yes,
Mm.
cholesterol is
Okay.
the silent killer. Yes,
Oh my
cholesterol
God.
means you have to understand. This is the under it blood. Yes,
Okay.
and sometimes nowadays heart attack anytimes, any persons. There is no limited age. If you are 40
Mm-hmm.
years, 30 years,
Mm-hmm.
45 age, then you are suffering from heart attack. It is the causes of cholesterol level high in the blood.
Oh
And if
my
you do
God.
exercise every day, if you do exercise every day, so your cholesterol level is low, getting down. Yes.
Okay. If the
So a lot
cholesterol
of,
level is getting high, so
yes,
you will be person of the heart attack.
heart attack. Yes, this is the main cause. It's cholesterol high,
Oh.
and many person says my BP is normal, but why he has heart attack?
Mm.
Blood pressure is connected to cholesterol. Yes,
Okay.
if cholesterol high and blood pressure also should
Mm.
be high. So we have to maintain cholesterol level and blood pressure. Everything we have to maintain.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice. That's you have nice. Okay. Yeah. Tell me another
So
things.
exercise is the best things for human natures. Nowadays, most of people spicy things using a
Yeah.
lot of
Spicy things
excessive
they are
wine.
using.
Yes, and that's why blood vessels, blood
Mm.
vessels is going on thick
Yeah.
day by day. So if you want to blood vessels thin, so you have to eat greeny vegetables.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, greeny vegetables, for yellow fruits. You have to use excessive fruits
Mm.
vegetables,
And
then it is good for health.
okay,
If
that's good.
you uses a lot of spicy, means oily product, so you have
Mm.
directly effect in your body and broad circulatory system.
Mm. That's the
And
good
every
thing you
day
have.
exercise, and you have to use by cycle. But
Yeah, yeah,
nowadays, not are using cycle. They all are using motorcycle, car,
yeah, yeah,
bus, jeep.
yeah, yeah. They are
So it
using
is the
cars.
not good for health purpose,
Yeah, yeah,
I think.
yeah, yeah. Absolutely, you're right. I agree your point. Whatever you are speaking that.
Yes.
Yeah. So you ask me, do you have any
Any
other question
questions?
to you? No, yeah, I asked whatever in my question, question in my mind. I asked you.